In this video, we're going to discuss on how to create a basic text field using Sketchbook2 software on your marking box unit. First, we're going to click and drag out a text field into the location on the grid. At this point, we will select a text style from horizontal, vertical, arc, and even 2D barcode. In this example, we are going to do horizontal. Our next step is going to be typing in the information you would like in your field. From here, you'll be able to adjust the height, width, force and speed, jogging, font for your text field. Now we are going to work with the height, width, and spacing of our text field. First, we are going to adjust the character height to be 3 millimeters high. Then we will work with our width. From this point, we will show you a variety of options to make sure that you get the correct amount of information within your text field. And then we're going to change it back to 60%. And finally, we will adjust the spacing to make sure that we have enough space in between our characters during the marking process. Now we are going to adjust the force and speed. We have a variety of default options. With force, we have strong, medium, and soft. And for speed, we equate that to the resolution of the dots. Fast is going to be a little bit more on the dotty side. Medium, it's going to tighten it up. And slow is going to resemble more of a straight line type mark. Now let us set up the location of our text field. Using the jogging, we can change the X and Y axis, as well as changing the angle of the text field. Finally, we are going to show you our font settings. From here, you want to keep in mind marking time. We have the ability to change to a PC font, which allows you to use any type of Windows-based font. Then we have our MB font, which will be more of a box type, and then our 5x7 font. And you will notice the marking time changes based on your settings. Once you've made all of your setting choices, now we can finally mark. Click the Start button at the top left-hand corner. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.